Today is shopping day. I need new clothes for work meetings.
That sounds like a good plan. Where do you want to go?
The city center mall. They have many stores in one place.
Perfect. I need to buy a few things too.
What do you need to buy?
A new phone case and some groceries for next week.
Should we make a list? I always forget what I need.
Great idea. I'll write down my items too.
I need a professional blouse, comfortable shoes, and maybe a new bag.
I need phone case, batteries, milk, bread, and vegetables.
How long do you think we'll need?
Probably 3 or 4 hours. Shopping takes time.
Should we take the bus or walk?
The bus is faster. The mall is quite far from here.
You're right. What time does the bus come?
Every 15 minutes. We can check the schedule at the stop.
Let me get my bag and some cash.
I'll bring my credit card. Most stores accept cards now.
The weather is perfect for shopping. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, and it's Saturday morning. The stores won't be too crowded yet.
I hope we can find everything on our lists.
We have all day. No need to rush.
Which stores do you want to visit first?
Let's start with your clothes shopping. Then we can go to the electronics store. Here comes our bus. Do you have your bus card?
Yes, right here in my bag. Do you know which stop we need?
Central Mall stop. It's about 20 minutes from here.
Perfect. I'm excited about finding new work clothes.
Shopping can be fun when you're not in a hurry.
You're absolutely right about that. What's your shopping strategy? Do you compare prices?
Usually, I check 3 stores before buying something expensive.
That's smart. I sometimes buy the first thing I see.
For clothes, it's important to try everything on first.
Yes, sizes can be different in different stores.
Exactly. And colors look different under store lights. We're getting close to the mall now.
I can see the big shopping center sign.
There are so many people going in and out.
Saturday is always the busiest shopping day.
After shopping, we could have lunch in the food court.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Wow, this mall is huge. Look at all these stores.
Where should we start? Clothing stores are on the second floor.
Let's take the escalator. I want to look around first.
Good idea. We can see what stores they have.
There's a directory map over there.
Let me check where the electronics store is located.
Scene 4B, planning the route. Electronics store is on the 3rd floor, section C.
And the clothing stores are mostly on the second floor.
Should we meet somewhere after an hour? Let's meet at the cafe on the first floor at 12 o'clock.
Perfect. That gives us each an hour to shop alone.
See you at 12. Good luck finding your phone case. Excuse me, do you have this blouse in medium size? Let me check for you. What color would you prefer? I like the white one and the light blue one. We have both colors in medium. Would you like to try them? Yes, please. Where is the fitting room? Right this way. Take your time trying them on. The white blouse fits perfectly, but the blue one is too tight. How does the white one feel when you move your arms? Very comfortable. I can move easily. That's important for work clothes. Do you need anything else? I'm also looking for comfortable shoes for long work days. We have a shoe section right over there. Looking at shoes. These black shoes are very popular with working women. They look professional. Are they comfortable for walking? Yes, they have special cushioning inside. Try them on. They feel good. How much do they cost? The shoes are $65. The blouse is $40. I'll take both. Do you accept credit cards?
I need a protective case for this phone model.
We have several options. What type of protection do you need?
Something that protects against drops. I'm quite clumsy.
This case has reinforced corners and a screen protector.
That sounds perfect. How much does it cost?
$25. It comes with a 1-year warranty.
I also need AA batteries for my camera.
Regular batteries or rechargeable ones?
Rechargeable would be better for the environment.
These rechargeable batteries last much longer, too.
Great. I'll take the phone case and the batteries.
Your total is $38. Cash or card?
One cappuccino, please. I'm waiting for a friend. Sure. Would you like anything to eat with that? Maybe a small piece of cake. What do you recommend? The chocolate cake is very popular. Made fresh this morning. Perfect. I'll have that, please. I'll bring everything to your table in a few minutes.
Sorry, I'm a little late. The electronics store was crowded.
No problem. I just ordered coffee and cake. How was your shopping?
very successful. I found everything I needed. And you?
I bought a beautiful white blouse and comfortable black shoes.
That's great. Do you want to continue shopping after coffee?
Yes, I still need groceries. Want to go to the supermarket together? These shopping carts are huge. We could buy food for a month.
Let's try to stick to our lists. It's easy to overspend here.
You're right. I always buy too much when I'm hungry.
That's why we had coffee and cake first. Smart planning.
Where should we start? Vegetables or dairy products?
Let's start with vegetables. They're usually near the entrance. These tomatoes look very fresh. Perfect for salads.
I need onions and carrots for cooking this week.
The organic vegetables cost more, but they taste better.
I agree. Health is more important than saving a few dollars.
Let's get some fruit, too. Apples and bananas.
Good idea. I try to eat fruit every day. Which milk do you prefer? Regular or low fat?
I usually buy low fat. It's healthier for daily use.
I need some cheese for sandwiches, too.
This bread looks fresh, still warm from the bakery.
Perfect. Let's get 2 loaves, one for each of us.
We're almost done. Just need to pay at the checkout.
The line is moving quite fast. Good service here.
Yes, and the prices seem reasonable compared to other stores.
I'm happy with everything we bought today.
It was efficient shopping. We found everything we needed.
And we stayed within our budgets, too.
That's the most important part of successful shopping.
Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you. Your store has great variety.
Would you like your receipt in the bag or separate?
Separate, please. I like to keep receipts for my budget.
That's wise. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend.
You too. Thank you.
These bags are getting heavy. Good thing the bus stop is close.
I'm tired but happy. We accomplished a lot today.
The best part was finding everything on our lists.
And staying within budget. That makes me feel responsible.
Next time, we should bring reusable shopping bags.
Great idea. Better for the environment. I can't wait to try on my new clothes with different outfits.
And I'm excited to protect my phone with the new case.
Should we plan another shopping trip for next month?
Definitely. But maybe on a weekday when it's less crowded.
Perfect idea. Today was fun, but exhausting.
That's the price of successful shopping.
Let me show you my new blouse. What do you think?
It looks very professional. Perfect for work meetings.
And the shoes are so comfortable. I made good choices.
My phone case fits perfectly too. Good protection.
We both had successful shopping experiences today.
And we learned useful shopping vocabulary in English. Next time, we should make a budget before we go.
That's smart. Write down how much we want to spend.
And we should research stores online first.
Good idea. Check prices and read reviews.
Today was great practice for shopping in English.
Yes, now I feel more confident in stores.